To change username in Windows 11 laptop, click on Start, open Settings. On the left hand side, click on Account, then click Your Info. Scroll it down. Under Related Setting, click on Accounts. If you see Sign In option, simply sign in to your Outlook account and again click on Accounts. Now, on the left hand side, click on Your Info. Here, in full name, click on Edit Name. Enter your first and the last name, then click on Save, and it's done. You could see a security captcha as well. If you see that option, simply solve that captcha, then click on Save. After changing your username, it may take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours. It would be best if you restart your PC. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.